Welcome back, lovely people, to another Temu video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a code with us, okay? This code is going to give you exclusive deals, like really discounted prices on high quality items that have high star ratings, like really good reviews. All you need to do is to download the Temu app. You can use the link in my description box or comment section, or if you already have the app in your phone, just go to the Temu search bar, open up your app, go to the Temu search bar and type in this code ACY 077290. Click on your search icon, and just like that, you're going to be seeing amazing deals being offered to you. Sometimes you might even be offered free gifts or credit back. There is always going to be an additional offer with these exclusive deals, okay? Here I'm being given, let's click and see what I'm being offered. Okay, this is a credit back, all right? So I'm not really interested in this credit back. I just want to show us the main offer, which is the exclusive deal. So I'll go back. I'm being offered 120 credits. Of course, you should know that all these Temu games come with terms and conditions. Whether you're being offered free gifts, credit back, credits, whatever it is, there is terms and conditions attached to it. So because I'm doing this video in the night, you can see the title here, Temu Night Incredible Finds, okay? So this code is going to give you a list of really amazing items, just like I said, high star ratings at really discounted prices, okay? That's why it's called exclusive deals. You will notice that all the items here are really sold at high numbers, like you can see 10,000 sold, 4.3k sold, 16,000 sold. These are items that, people actually get over and over again. They are good items with good star ratings. You can notice from all the pictures here, as I'm scrolling through, you can see that they have all high ratings. Now, all the items I'm seeing here are items that are already in my cart. One thing you should know about the Temu app is whatever item you have in your cart or that you've been searching through the app, whenever you're using any discount code, be it the gift code or the exclusive deal code like I'm showing you now, Temu is going to offer those items to you. Those items you have in your carts, on your wish list, or those items you've browsed on in the Temu app, they'll offer it to you. So you should know that tip. That is a tip I'm giving to you. So yes, I'm already here. You can get any category you want, be it the women, kids, toys, home, whatever it is, the men as accessories, whatever it is you want, you have everything here, okay? You just need to search. Just search whatever it is you want and add to carts. The deals here are really, really nice, amazing deals with good star ratings, like I say. You should know that whenever you're looking for anything on Temu, of course, read the reviews, okay? Just like this one, I won't assume that I'm interested or I want to buy this item. Go to the product details first. It's just here. Read through to be sure that this is what you want, and then go to the um reviews, look at real pictures so that you see what this item looks like, in reality, not just edited pictures, okay? If you're okay with what you're seeing, add it to your cart and make your payments. It's that easy. So I just thought I should share this wonderful code with you all because I know someone is definitely going to benefit from it. If you found value in this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.